If we connect the dots in the night sky, we can make all kinds of different shapes that we call constellations. There are 88 different constellations in the night sky, in all different shapes and sizes, and we can use our imagination to make our own. For this experiment, you'll need some plastic or styrofoam cups, some tin foil, some toothpicks, a pair of scissors, and some tape. These are the ingredients that I used for the demonstration. The first thing to do is to take some tin foil, and in my case I folded it over, but really you just want one thin sheet of tin foil, so you should cut it in half. And then using your scissors, cut the bottom off your styrofoam cup. This is where our eye is going to go when we're viewing our constellation. The tin foil goes on the wider side of the cup. Fold it over and make sure it's nice and flat and tight. And then use tape to attach it to the cup. You can also make designs on the side of your cup if you have room, and some markers. Next, we're going to take our toothpick and poke holes in the tin foil so that we can see through them. These are going to be the stars in our constellation, and you can make any shape you want. You can make a constellation that already exists, or you can make up your own. And so when you look through the other side, you can see all the holes that we made. If you look closely, you can see a light shining through each of those little holes to make a shape. Mine I tried to make look like the Big Dipper. But it really shines in the dark when all the stars twinkle. The camera doesn't really do it justice. Have fun making your constellations at home.